Welcome back, Health Buddies. Today we're diving deeper into the world of nuts, exploring their diverse flavors, nutritional benefits, and how to enjoy them in the healthiest way possible. Get ready to unlock the secrets of nutty goodness. Nuts are nature's nutritional gems, offering a treasure trove of vitamins, minerals, and heart-healthy fats. From crunchy almonds to creamy cashews, each nut brings its unique flavor and nutritional profile to the table. Let's take a closer look at some popular nuts. Almonds, rich in vitamin E and magnesium, almonds are great for heart health and may help lower cholesterol levels. Walnuts. Packed with omega-3 fatty acids, walnuts support brain function and have anti-inflammatory properties. Cashews. Creamy and versatile, cashews provide a good source of copper and magnesium, essential for bone health. Pecans. High in antioxidants, pecans can help reduce inflammation and may lower the risk of chronic diseases. Brazil nuts. Loaded with selenium, Brazil nuts support immune function and thyroid health. Pistachios. With fewer calories and more potassium than other nuts, pistachios make a satisfying and nutritious snack. Hazelnuts. Rich in folate and vitamin E, hazelnuts promote healthy skin and may reduce the risk of certain cancers. Macadamia nuts. Creamy and buttery macadamia nuts are high in monounsaturated fats, which support heart health. Nuts offer a plethora of health benefits, including improved heart health, weight management, and reduced inflammation. Their combination of healthy fats, protein, and fiber makes them a satisfying snack that can help curb cravings and keep you feeling full longer. To maximize the health benefits of nuts, here are some tips. 1. Choose raw or dry roasted nuts to avoid added oils and unnecessary calories. 2. Enjoy nuts in moderation as part of a balanced diet, as they are calorie dense. 3. Incorporate a variety of nuts into your meals and snacks for a diverse nutrient intake. 4. Consider soaking nuts before eating to enhance digestibility and nutrient absorption. 5. When baking with nuts, use low temperatures, around 300 degrees Fahrenheit or 150 degrees Celsius, to preserve their delicate fats and prevent them from becoming rancid. In conclusion, nuts are a delicious and nutritious addition to any diet. By incorporating a variety of nuts into your meals and snacks, and opting for healthier preparation methods, you can harness their full potential for better health and well-being. So go ahead, grab a handful of your favorite nuts and enjoy the nutty goodness. That's a wrap on our nutty adventure. I hope you found this journey enlightening and inspiring. Until next time, Health Buddies, keep crunching those nuts and nourishing your body and soul.